Uncle Mark here again. I got to do a task. Can't work on a vehicle today because the wife says the eaves are plugged. She must know. Guess one side of the house, our water's hardly coming up. Let's take a look, see why, what's in there. I'm thinking it's probably big leaves or something. See if we can get you that. All we can do now is just dig it out of here. There's no easy way. Gotta be careful not to cut yourself. That metal on top, the brown metal there, just below the shingle, it is sharp. It can hurt. The water all starting to drain. Maybe I'll pull this out of here, maybe. No, I don't know, should I? Yeah. Just worried that more junk will fall down further into all the piping, and then how are you going to get out of there? Just dig it out. Pretty deep, actually. See the water starting to move already. So we clear stuff away. Well, it's going down the side that it's found a way to get past. There she goes. Try and clean this thing out. No, it looks like I'm shaky. I'm not. It's the camera. Didn't really find a way to balance it. The water's moving pretty good now. There's a noisy neighbor. Got my tools on the roof here too. There's a big clump of it. Look at that. There, now the water's starting to flow. Sometimes what I found too is this gets plugged, which we saw through the top that it wasn't, but sometimes it'll just be plugged solid. So there's a couple screws here, You can take them off without falling, and then pull this off. Try not to drop them. Whoa. You just set them somewhere on the roof. They're not very long. They're usually like a self-tapping screw, so if you do lose them, no big deal. Find them at a hardware store later on or something. Get some help if we loosen this one. Try and do this in balance here and not fall. Now it should just come down a little bit, see that? And you should be able to just bend this up and down like this and it should come out. Of course, what it should do, there we go. Look at that. There you go. Nothing in this one. But a lot of times you gotta pull it all out. It's the easiest way, just instead of, you don't want to push it down in there. And then it just backwards, it goes inside. Let's watch up here, they got these little fingers too. And just kind of rock it back and forth till it gets back far enough that you can get your screws back in. And this, see if I can show you. See, it's just the way this hole's been cut out. Let's show you from the top here. So you just want to make sure that these fingers are going to be inside. You have to push them a little bit. And just push it that way and get it to come up. Now, this finger is what its screw is going into, so you might have to just push it this way a little bit. You get the point. Start screwing it back together. Now here's one that's plugged. We'll take it off and we'll clean it out together. Okay, clean it out just by shaking it around a little bit. Sometimes you have to dig them out. Quite a bit of stuff came out. Still stuff in there. But rinse it out a little bit. I'm not gonna get fancy or nothing. I'm just gonna put it on in. There's the fish. Looks pretty clean to me. You just about see right through it, so yeah, that'll be good. And put it back on. Actually, it goes this way. Smaller end's gonna go into the eave that way, and then this top one's gonna go up to the actual roof eave, I guess. Does that make sense? I guess it wasn't big leaves, it was whatever this stuff is. little seeds from something. But anyway, at least you know what's going on now. If you pay somebody to do this, why not ask them to take some pictures with their phone just so you can see, maybe see what they pull out of there. Get them to maybe show you what they actually did, before and after pictures, so you know it's nice and clean and everything's running good. Subscribe down in the bottom here if you want. Give me the thumbs up. We'll be We'll be getting back to normal car stuff, but you got to sometimes do this stuff before you can get to the car stuff. Keep Mama happy. Everybody's happy. Till next time, Uncle Mark saying so long. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Oh, is it over there?
Pretty plugged.
What? Pretty plugged? Yeah. Did you go to the back or you're just doing this side first?
Just doing this side first.
Oh.
Testing 1, 2, 3.